Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. We will continue our lesson from Madinah Arabic Reader Book 1, Lesson 4. Iqra waktub. Iqra means read, waktub means and write. Iqra waktub, read and write. So let's have a look at the sentences below. الطالب في الجامعة. The student is in the university. At-talibu means the student. At-talibu means the student. When alif lam appears at the start, we translate as the. At-talibu, the student. Al-rajulu, the man. Al-qalamu, the pen. And remember, any word that begins with alif lam will not end with a tanween. This is the rule you must remember. At-talibu fil jami'ati. The student is in the university. Fi gives the meaning of in. In. And the noun after fi, generally its final letter will have a kasra. So here we see jami'ati. It's not jami'atu or jami'ata. Fil jami'ati. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi. The man is in the masjid. Ar-rajulu, the man. Fil masjidi is in the masjid. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi, the man is in the masjid. Previously I mentioned that if a sentence starts with an ism, a noun, in Arabic that sentence is known to be al-jumlatul ismiyah, nominal sentence. And a nominal sentence, jumlah ismiyah, has two parts, mubtada and khabar. About whom news is given is the mubtada and the news is the khabar. So ar-rajulu fil masjidi, the man is in the masjid. Here we are giving news about the man. So the man ar-rajulu is the mubtada. What is the news? What is the khabar? Fil masjidi, that he is in the masjid. So fil masjidi is the khabar. Ar-rajulu is the mubtada. Ar-rajulu fil masjidi, the man is in the masjid. Aina, where. Aina means where. Tajir is businessman, trader. Aina tajiru, where is the businessman? Huwa fid dukani, he is in the shop. Huwa, he, fid dukani is in the shop. Huwa fid dukani, he is in the shop. Al-qalamu ala al-maktabi, the pen is on the desk. Al-qalamu, the pen, ala means on. Al-maktab, the desk. Ala al-maktabi, on the desk. Al-qalamu ala al-maktabi, the pen is on the desk. Ala, like fi, is a harf jar, i.e. generally it causes the final letter of the noun that comes after it to have a zir, kasrah. Aina Zainab, where is Zainab? Zainab is a female name, hence the dhamir pronoun used for Zainab will be muannath, feminine, singular, feminine, third person, hiya. Hiya means she. If we use the pronoun for an object or an item, then we will translate as it. But for a person, for a female, obviously we will say she. So hiya is going back to Zainab. Hiya is a dhamir used for third person, singular, feminine. Hiya fil ghurfati, she is in the room. Ghurfa is room. Aina al-waraq, where is the paper? Huwa ala al-maktabi, it is on the desk. Huwa is going back to waraq. Waraq is mudhakkar, masculine. Huwa, it is ala al-maktabi, on the desk. Huwa ala al-maktabi, it is on the desk. Aina, where al gives the meaning of the mudarris, teacher. Aina al mudarrisu, where is the teacher? Huwa fil fasli, he is in the classroom or the class. Fasl is class. Aina Yasir, Yasir, where is Yasir? Huwa fil mirhadi, he is in the toilet. Mirhad, toilet. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis sama, the sun and the moon are in the sky. Wa gives the meaning of and. Shams is sun. Ash-shamsu, the sun. Wa means and. Wal qamaru, and the moon. Fis sama, are in the sky. So here we see ash-shamsu. We won't pronounce the lam. We won't say al-shamsu. Why? Because sheen is a sound letter, a harf shamsi. It's a harf letter from the huruf shamsiyah. It's a sound letter, and if a sound letter appears after the alif lam, the lam will be dismissed and the alif will join to the sound letter. This is not the case with the moon letter. The lam will be pronounced. Hence here we see qaf is a moon letter. Hence we will read wal qamaru, al qamaru. Here we will pronounce the lam because a moon letter has appeared after the lam. Fis sama'i, okay, in the sky. Sama is sky. Fi means in. Ash-shamsu wal qamaru fis sama, the sun and the moon are in the sky. Man fil fasli, who is in the classroom. Man means who. We use man to ask about a human, a person. Consider the following. Ta'ammal ma yali. So I mentioned before that generally masculine names, they will not end with a tanween. Tanween, dammas, two fathas or two kasras. So here you see Muhammadun, Aminatu, Khalidun, male name, Zainab, female name, Hamidun, Yasirun, Ammarun, Sa'idun, Alijun, Abbasun. So here you see tanween appearing on the final letter of the male names. This is not the case with the female names. Okay. Read and write each of the following words, vocalizing its last letter. You can have a go at this yourselves. If the rounded ta appears at the final, if the rounded ta appears at the end, you will know that this is a female name or noun. Okay? This is a sign. The rounded ta, this ta is known as at-ta'ul marbuta. As you can see at the end of Fatima, Aisha, Sophia. Al-baytu, the house. Min means from. Min al-bayti, from the house. Al-masjidu, the masjid. Ila al-masjidi, to the masjid. Ila means to or till. So min and ila, like fa, fi and ala, give the final letter of the noun that comes after it a kasra generally. Yeah. Min and ila. Min is also a harf jar. Ila is also a harf jar, like fi and ala. Min means from. Yeah, it's a particle harf. Ila means till or to. Okay, let's have a look at the conversation below. Al-mudarrisu, the teacher. Min ayna anta, where are you from? Muhammad. Ana min al-Yaban, I am from Japan. Okay, so min, from, ayna, where, anta, you. Ana, I. Ana is a dhamir used for first person, both masculine and feminine. Ana means I, min from. Ana min al-Yaban. I am from Japan. Al-Yaban. Okay. Japan. Min al-Yaban. From Japan. Al-Mudarris. Wa min ayna Ammar. Where is Ammar from? And where is Ammar from? What gives the meaning of and? Muhammad says, Huwa min al-Sin. He is from Sin is China. He is from China. Al-Mudarris, the teacher. Wa min ayna Hamid. And where is Hamid from? So min gives the meaning of from, ayna where, Hamid, Hamid. Wa min ayna Hamid. And where is Hamid from? Muhammad says, Huwa min al-Hindi. He is from India. He is from India. Al-Mudarris. Aina Abbas. Where is Abbas? Muhammad says, Kharaja. Kharaja means he left. He exited. Kharaja is a fi'l, a verb. Al-Mudarris, the teacher, says, Aina dhahaba. Where did he go? Dhahaba, like kharaja, is also a verb. Past tense. Dhahaba means he went. Okay, he went. Muhammad, Aina dhahaba. Where did he go? Yeah. So, Aina dhahaba. Where did he go? Muhammad says, Dhahaba, he went ilal mudiri, to the principal. Wa ayna dhahaba Ali, and where has Ali gone? Muhammad says, Dhahaba ilal mirhad, he went to the toilet. So let's have a look at the questions. Min ayna anta, where are you from? So you will answer by saying Ana, I. If you're from China, you will say Ana min al-Sin. I am from China. Ana means I, min from. Anta min al-Philippines. Are you from Philippines? If the answer is yes, you will say Na'am. Na'am means yes. Ana min al-Philippines. I am from Philippines. Man min al-Sin. Who is from China? Man means who. Who. Man means who. Man min al-Sin. Who is from China? Okay, you can have a look above to find the answer. Who is from China? Who is from China? Muhammad is from China. So you will say Muhammadun min al-Sin. Muhammad is from China. Likewise, you can have a look for the following questions. Min ayna Hamid, where is Hamid from? Ayna dhahaba Abbas, where did Abbas go? Adhahaba Aliyun ila al-Mudir, did Ali go to the principal? So is used to ask a question. Dhahaba means he went. It's a fi'l past tense verb. Ali, did Ali go? Ila means to. Ila is a harf jar. Ila al-Mudiri, to the principal. Adhahaba Aliyun ila al-Mudir, did Ali go to the principal? And if the answer is yes, you will say Naam. Huwa dhahaba ila al-Mudir, he went to the principal. Okay. Al-Ghurfatu, the room. Min al-Ghurfati, from the room. Min is a harf, gives the meaning of from, and it's a harf jar. So min al-Ghurfati, the final letter ta has a kasra due to the harf jar min. Min al-Hammami, from the bathroom. Al-Mirhadu, the toilet. Ila al-Mirhadi, till the toilet, to the toilet. Al-Yaban, Japan. Al-Philippine, the Philippines. Min al-Hind, from India. Ila al-Sin, from China. Read and write. Min ayna Fatima, where is Fatima from? Hiya min al-Hindi, she is from India. Hiya, she. Min al-Hindi is from India. Hiya min al-Hindi. She is from India. خرج المدرس من الفصل. The teacher left. Kharaja means he left. It's a verb, past tense verb. Al-mudarrisu, yeah, the teacher left. Min al-fasli, from the class. وَذَهَبَ إِلَى الْمُدِيرِ, and he went to the principal. So remember, a fi'l, a verb, always requires a fa'il, doer of the action, the one who performed the action. And the one who performed the action will always be marfu', will be in the marfu' state, i.e. its final letter will have a dhamma. Yeah. So here look, kharaj al-mudarrisu, the teacher left. Who performed the action of leaving? Who is the doer of the action? Al-mudarris, the teacher. Hence we see a dhamma on the scene. Yeah. Al-mudarris is the fa'il, the doer of the action is the fa'il, and the fa'il will always be marfu', i.e. its ending will generally be, the final letter will have a dhamma. Yeah, this is the sign of rafa'. So kharaj al-mudarrisu min al-fasli, the teacher left from the class. وَذَهَبَ إِلَى الْمُدِيرِ, and he went to the principal. ذهب التاجر, ذهب التاجر, the businessman went. إلى الدكان, to the shop. So here التاجر is the fa'il. إلى الدكان, to the shop. ذهب is the fi'l, التاجر is the fa'il. إلى الدكان, to the shop. ذهب التاجر إلى الدكان, the businessman went to the shop. Any sentence that begins with a verb, fi'l, is known to be al-jumlatul fi'liyah, a verbal sentence. This sentence has begun with a verb, fi'l. Dhahaba is a fi'l. Hence, this sentence we will say is a jumla fi'liyah, al-jumlatul fi'liyah. Okay, kharaja Hamidun. Hamid left min al-ghurfati, from the room. Wa dhahaba ila al-hammami, and he went to the bathroom. Man kharaja min al-fasli, who left from the classroom. Okay. Kharaja talibu min al-madrasati, the student left from the madrasa, from the school. Wa dhahaba ila suqi, and he went to the market. Yeah, suq is market. Khadijatu min as-Sini, Khadija is from China. Wa Khalidun, and Khalid is from min al-Yabani, and Khalid is from Japan. Wa gives the meaning of and. Okay, you can have a look at this below. Fill in the blank in each of the following sentences with a suitable preposition. So al-kitabu, the book. Ala al-maktabi, is on the desk. At-talibu, the student. Fil fasli, the at-talibu fil fasli, the student is in the classroom. ذهب حامد, Hamid went. إلى الجامعة, to the university. خرج المدير, the principal left. من المدرسة, from the school. ذهب محمد, Muhammad went. إلى الصين, to China. من اليابان, from Japan. Okay, you can have a look at these words, new words. Al-kalimatul jadidatu, new words. Al-kalimat means words. Al-jadida, new words. Al-madrasatu, madrasa, school. Al-faslu, the classroom. Al-hammamu, hammam is the bathroom. Yeah, al-fasl, class. Al-hammamu, the bathroom. Al-mirhadu, the toilet. Al-matbakh, matbakh is kitchen. Al-ghurfatu, the room. Yeah, al gives the meaning of the al-jami'atu, the university. As-suqu, the market. Al-yabanu, Japan. As-sinu, China. Al-hindu is India. Al-philippine is the Philippines. Al-mudiru, the principal. Dhahaba is a verb, he went. Kharaja, he left. Fi is a harf particle. In, ala, on, min, from, ila, to. Min hurufil jarri, these letters, these huruf particles are from those huruf that give the noun after it its final letter a jar. It's ending a jar, i.e. normally the final letter that comes after these particles, the noun that comes after these particles, the final letter of that noun will have a kasra.